Hello, I'm Franziska Beck and I'm currently attending the Technical University of Munich here in Germany as a PhD student in cellular agriculture. And my research focuses on the establishment of a bacterial expression system for the efficient production of recombinant egg protein.
My name is Samuel. I'm currently studying economics for a BA in Santiago, Chile, at UC Chile.
My name is Seth Wood, and I am in the MBA program here at UC Berkeley in Berkeley, California.
Hello, my name is Ben. I'm a final year PhD student in cultivated meats at Aston University in Birmingham, UK.
I'm Zachary Shea. I'm technically a postdoc. I work with the USDA, but affiliated with NC State and collaborate a bunch with them in their food science department. My research focuses primarily on where I'm in soybean breeding, and we breed modern soybean with ancient soybean to see if we can introduce any novel or improved protein functionality traits like solubility, water holding capacity, and foaming and whatnot.
So my name is Juliane. I am veterinary with my master's degree in zoology, and I'm doing my PhD in biotechnology at São Paulo State University, Brazil.
So my name is Gabriel. I am a food engineer, and I am currently doing a master's degree in food science at Federal University of Santa Catarina.
Hello, I'm Katharina Brenner and attending Technical University Munich, where I do my PhD in cellular agriculture. I'm focusing on cultured meat and more specifically scaling up that cultured meat and bringing it to an industrialized process by modeling the full bioprocess.
My name is Chris Foley. I'm a third year PhD student in the mechanical engineering department, and I attend the University of Vermont.
Patel. I'm studying Masters in Research and Advanced Biological Sciences, and my particular area of research is cultivated meat, and I'm studying at University of Exeter.
Juliana. I currently study about cultivated meat, more specifically about primary cell culture for cultivated meat production, and I attend the Federal University of Paraná in Brazil.
My name is Ajinkya Atkare. I'm studying MS in food science in the NC State University, and I'm working in the food sustainability group, working on evaluating environmental impact of food systems.
I'm a PhD student at Aston University. So my project is aimed at identifying scalable and cost-effective edible microcarriers to facilitate bovine mesenchymal stem cell growth in stirred tank bioreactors.
So what interests me most about proteins is maybe even lifelong interest in sustainability and animal welfare. And when I was quite young, I saw statistics about how the world will change, and every sector changed to be more sustainable except for the food sector. And I thought this can't be real. And then I got older and always kind of searched for solutions. And then 3 years ago, I came across cultured meat and proteins, and that's where I stuck, and that's what I love. And yeah, like Franzi said, and like we at TUM Alt Protein Project believe, it is truly amazing that you're at the forefront of a revolution, that you actually really change something with your effort, and that there's so much different technological aspects that you have to count into to make a change. Yeah, it's the mix of ethical, sustainable, and technological challenges which are all combined.
I think Alt Proteins is uniquely situated to be able to kind of address a whole host of these things. And it's not the silver bullet, but it has a large impact across swaths of problems, and so that's very interesting to me, and that's part of why I've come to this work and I've been brought to this work is the desire to have impact in my work and to be a part of that.
I'm a big meat eater. And I think meat tastes awesome, it's full of tradition, but with meat comes animal suffering, and I would like to reduce my consumption and still be able to have that same feeling when I eat it. So I'm very excited about plant-based protein, precision fermentation, and obviously, like for my PhD, cultivated meat, and being able to mimic the feeling, the taste, everything to do with meat, but just not, well, with reducing animal suffering and reducing the impacts on global warming caused by intensive farming.
In maybe time frame before graduation, our greatest vision would be to create hopefully a major within the engineering department, specifically focused on alternative proteins, creates technical applicability. Yes, so that would be our main goal. Create like a pathway, an academic pathway within our university to study and professionalize this path in a formal manner.
At Aston University, we've already got a number of different projects that are working on alternative proteins. So that's including cultivated meats and plant-based proteins as well. So what I really hope that we'll be able to achieve by joining the Alternative Protein Project is by helping some of these students and also the researchers and lecturers to connect more and to work together, form new collaborations, and I'm also hoping that it will just help us to network outside of Aston University as well, so to form wider connections and partnerships within the Midlands and also further beyond as well.
Yeah, I'd say there's two main things. One is I'd like to learn more about the alternative protein market. I'm decently familiar with the plant protein, but I'm not as familiar with that cultivated meat or like lab-based meat. So I'm interested to learn more about that, as well as different kind of methods and processes involved with that. And then secondly, I'd like to kind of be involved with help promoting any information to the general public about alternative protein, because while it's super interesting, I don't think a lot of people quite know, at least for the general public, know about it quite a lot. So to help promote, spread the word about it.
So University of Exeter is currently also proactively taking steps towards mitigating the unsustainable practices, but what it doesn't focus right now is on how the animal agriculture in particular affects our climate and our health as well. So since we aim on reaching a net carbon zero by 2030, this APP itself is gonna target that mission directly. And also we've got UK RI investments of around £350 million in R&D of alternative proteins itself. So that is going to accelerate our mission at APP.
Consider UNESCO is formed by 31 schools and institutes spread in São Paulo state. There is a big community that we can impact. And also that our hub is close connection to UNESCO Center of Innovation Technology. So we have the structure and the facility they need to be APP a success in our chapter.
So NC State has different departments and different professors working on different aspects of the alternative protein. So for example, my group, we are evaluating the environmental impact of different food systems, be it animal meat as well as the alternative protein. We have a separate food processing and food engineering lab which works on the processing part of it. We have an industrial engineering department which works towards the cultivated meat as well. And then we have a plant science department. We have a biological and agricultural engineering department. So in terms of the research, we have different departments and different expertise which will work together and towards the growth of this alternative protein project here. And it will also help us to bring all the facets of the alternative protein and not just the final product of it. So it will help in consumer education, consumer awareness as well.
UVM has a deep commitment to sustainability and environmental studies, and we have a lot of community ties that to folks in the community that care about, sustainable food systems. And I think having an APP group here associated with GFI would allow us to leverage those connections and help us better spread awareness in our community.
So being part of the APP community means really a lot to me, and I think also to our team here. It provides a wonderful opportunity to learn new topics, as well as gain valuable information and skills from other APP group members. And also the chance to connect with experts and like-minded people from all around the world is very super exciting. And it demonstrates the widespread interest and commitment for revolutioning our existing food system. And as also each APP member has a different background and experience, I'm very eager to hear and understand different perspectives and ideas about the alternative proteins. And yeah, in general, this shared mission and also collaborative spirit is what really excites me and us about being part of the APP community.
I believe that being affiliated with GFI provides us technical, financial, and educational support for amplifies our research and innovation capabilities, as well as promoting unique opportunities for collaboration with a global community of researchers and professionals dedicated to the transformation of the food system that go far beyond what we could achieve on our own. The partnership with GFI also strengthens the credibility and visibility of our group, facilitating the development of ambitious projects and attracting talents and resources that are essential to the success of our initiatives.
Since the project is a global initiative, it brings together students from all over the world who are interested in a common subject, and the idea of being a part of this global community is very exciting. So that's what that community means to me. It's a place where I can meet a lot of new people, I can discuss ideas, I can know what's going on around the world. And I think it's also very exciting that it's a student-led project in which students can have a certain autonomy to exercise their creativity and engage hands-on in a project that is built by and for them. So I'm very happy to be a part of it.